no signals, no signals, no signals, no signals, no signals. No problem. Quality and safety. I was talking of safety, health, and environment. Civil field engineering, life, quality, AnnexSL, COVID-19, SHE, engineer soul, designs, construction, methods, contracts, organizations, communications, coordination, why be behind quality of standard materials, works, etc., etc., etc. And I was talking. And question was, has a safety and health plan been produced? Clearly setting out standards, activity that managers, engineers, and supervisors are required to achieve in order for joint venture, if there is joint venture, to achieve project safety and health and loss control objectives. And what are questions? Attendance of. Does plan contain following elements? Attendance at health and safety briefings that must be clearly indicated, clearly explained, of course not in book form but in pointed form, conducting toolbox talks, which is very monitoring and inspections, how to monitor, how to inspect safety works, safety requirements, risk assessments and method statements. What's formula for risk assessment, what's criteria, and method statement, how to do that in descriptive form. Job observation, communication and promotion, hazard and incident management, continuous professional development, safety and health course attendance. Is every manager, engineer and supervisor in possession of an up-to-date copy of safety and health plan? At least these managerial people, these key personnel must get a copy of that. That's a question. Otherwise there is no meaning of that plan, because that plan is very powerful. It's drawn on experience basis. It's just drawn on and health training being established for all levels of management on this project. legal and project specific updates, technical standards, that is scaffolding, risk assessment. I think there's no record, 00. Well, project management system induction, training schedule being developed. Means we have to train managers, we have to train all key personnel. So project management system induction, health and safety management systems, legal and project specific updates. All specialists, craft supervisors, holders of certificates of training achievement, are all training courses record to contain name and profession, title of attendee, name of attendee, course, have project specific health and safety rules been prepared in writing for project? Have project safety, health and safety rules been prepared in writing for project? How how these rules how are these rules communicated to employees? How are these rules communicated to employees? Copy to itemized at induction, rules reviewed during toolbox talks. Copy to means procedure of communication to employees. It's a copy to them, each individual, or posting on notices to reinforce rules. How often are general safety and health rules reviewed and revised? Every 6 months, every year, every biannual or 2 year? Are revised rules communicated in a formal way? Is there a formal system in place for identification of critical conditions, occupations and activities requiring specialized and specific health and safety rules? Is there a formal system in place for identification of critical conditions, occupations and activities requiring specialized and specific health and formally listed and using project planning schedule to ensure health control program. Health control program, still there is no signal. I don't know it's going on record or not. Well, let us see. Maybe it's waste of time. Health control program. Health control program. Schedule for health hazard identification. Is there a health control program containing temperature extremes, biological, radiation, dust and fume, other driving operations, etc.? Says, have following hazards been identified? Risks, assess and control policies and procedures developed. Chemical, noise, manual handling, temperature extremes, biological, radiation, dust and fume, other diving operations, etc. Or jobs on contracts and whatever. Employee health surveillance. Is there a policy and are arrangements in place for ongoing health checks? Is there a policy